Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at Litecoin. Now on the weekly time frame we see that there is a high potential for the upside movement of 120%. While price is hovering near the sideways channel, basically we can call it an accumulation area. The Bing's chart starts just from the 2021, but if all goes right, then this is just an accumulation area as we mentioned before, and this should be the ultimate target once we go outside this sideways channel. But as of now we trade basically just barely from this support and resistance area, and right now price has formed, not right now, like 2 weeks ago, but still a liquidity grab area below the local support, which means that there is a chance that buyers are right now slowly stepping in, and as we are expecting the liquidity sweeps. Now going to the daily time frame just for the CMA gap areas that are a point of interest for us, and then we are going to do few adjustments based on the target areas that we have as of now. So these two, or I would call even this area as well as the mid area. So this one is the CMA gap that we are targeting right now. Then this area is just a mid phase right before we had the liquidity sweep down, so we had a strong downside movement, and this one is the upper side of this smaller accumulation area that we had here. So based on this, entry going to be here, going to take this slightly away from here, and that's the small setup that we are currently going in with. So potential to make like 56% of macro price movement, with the price action movement starting as soon as we break this local high area. Once we break this local high area, we are going to go with a long, although we're going to wait for the confirmation of breakout structure, which means we had a breakout here, then the downside movement. Once this retest of the broken area will be confirmed with additional breakout structure here, then we would enter a long position starting from here actually, and then just glide the trend until we reach one of these three targets. Usually we have like three target areas. We go 30% take profit here, 20% here, and final closer here. But in this case, as the CMA gap is the major target for us, we would go like 50% here, then we are left with the 50%, then we take another 50% from that 50%, which leaves us with 25% of the trade open until this last target can be reached. And of course with each take profit areas we move the stop loss. Once we reach this first area, stop loss goes here. Once we reach this area, stop loss goes to the first take profit area. So that's the game plan for the Litecoin as of now. The CMA gap is the most point of interest for us, and that's going to be the major target for the upcoming weeks as well, I think so. So anyways, that's it for today. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment and I'll catch you tomorrow.